Alright, on today's episode of What is Gabe Gonna Make into slider form, we're doing chicken pesto sliders. So, I went ahead and sliced some brioche rolls. We're getting fancy today. And then I also have some sliced red onions that we're gonna throw on the Blackstone. But let's get started on making our pesto and our chicken burgers. Alright, so first we're gonna start with our pesto. So I have here about 3 ounces or 2 cups of basil that I'm going to tear off of the stems and throw in here. And I'm going to throw all this in here because in turn this will not make a lot when it's all said and done. But get rid of all the stems as best as you can and just throw them on in here. This should make anywhere from a cup to a cup and a half of pesto. Alright, next 5 whole cloves of peeled garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, and about a cup of olive oil. Okay, and we blend. Alright, pesto. Alright, now it's time to make the chicken mixture. So, a pound of lean ground chicken. Alright, to this we are going to add Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, a little bit of smoked paprika, garlic powder, some oregano, and just a little bit of ground red pepper. And we mix. Alright, now for this, I want to weigh these out to exactly 2 ounces. We'll ball them up, and then we'll take everything out to the Blackstone. Alright, so, burger patties. Well, chicken burger patties. Mozzarella cheese, our red onions, and our buns to the Blackstone. Alright, so we got our buns, we got our pesto, we got our grilled onions, and we got our chicken burgers. So I go with this guy. Alright, so burgers on. I feel like this is going to be messy either way, so we're going to go pesto first. Okay, then grilled onions. Not bad, not bad. Let's try them out. Alright. Cheers. That is a tasty slider. The pesto is nice and bright. And honestly, the onions are definitely a supportive role in this. They kind of add a little bit of something to the pesto. And then the cheese kind of adds a little something to the pesto. This is nice. I like this. And the chicken is seasoned quite well. There's a little subtle bit of heat that comes through in the chicken, and that's quite nice. It everything kind of keeps everything together. I don't know if I would say holds it together or helps each other out necessarily, but everything kind of keeps everything from being being more than everyone else. Like, the cheese adds a nice fattiness while not being just a rich burger. The chicken is seasoned well, which helps with the flavor of the pesto, which is a little on the intense side because of the vinegar and the oil. Then everything's kind of cut through with the onions, and everything just kind of helps each other out. I like it. And the bun is also nice too. It holds everything in place without making a huge mess. Not that it already is a mess, but it's a nice sponge. I like it. Well guys, there you have it. Chicken pesto burger sliders. on the Blackstone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button, throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one.